How to auto export data into Excel from SQL using Python and taskset. The question is, write a Python script to retrieve data from SQL into Excel and schedule to run the script automatically on every day at a particular time. Also send a notification to user once data get retrieved. Now I open my VS Code, and first of all I will import required library. Now I will change the current working directory. In this directory we will get the output. Now create SQL connection. Here my server name is ram-pc. My database name is COVID-19. Now I will write SQL command to retrieve data. Command is select star from world COVID data where location equal to India. So here world COVID data is a name of table in my database COVID-19, and I will retrieve COVID-19 data of India location. Now I will execute this command with the help of pandas data frame. Read data from SQL using pandas data frame. So here I have put pd.read SQL query, then the command, comma, connection. The data will store in df variable. Now we will export this data to Excel. File name like data underscore timestamp and .csv. This file will be saved in the working directory which is mentioned above. Now send notification to user. So here notification dot notify, and I have put message data has been successfully exported into Excel, and then total number of rows and total number of columns. Now I save the file and try to run. You can see the data is retrieved. It is saved in the working directory. Now schedule this script using task scheduler. So once we schedule this script, the script will run automatically at the given time. Open Notepad and then give the path of Python. In my case, Python is installed in C drive in Python 38 folder. Just copy the path, put this in inverted comma, Python 3.exe space, and then put the script path. Put this path in inverted comma. Now save this file as batch file. Give any name, run script.dat. So if you open this batch, it will run automatically. You can see. No need to open VS Code and Python, nothing. Just double click on the batch file. You can see again. Wow, great. Now I will schedule this task in task scheduler. Just type task scheduler. You can see. Open this. Then click on create basic task. Give the name of task. Select daily. Here select your date and time, which time you want to execute the script. Just in my case, I want a 4 o'clock. So it will execute every day at 4 o'clock. So here select a script batch file which is created recently. Next, check mark this, finish. Now go to trigger and select this, click on edit. Here we can repeat this task every 5 minutes. You can put any duration here and click OK. So now you can see this task is created and it will execute at 4 o'clock. So we have to wait. You can see the script is automatically executed and the data is saved in this folder. Thank you for watching.